I thought this day was great. I think the process of involving everyone, hearing a lot of voices that don't normally get to speak up was heard today. I think they learned some things from each other. The focus on the ideas from the person next to them, and then repeating questions, and then repeating the ideas with the frameworks that we did today. I thought it was great.
This is wild.
That's the person holding the stamp.
There we go.
And here's the island, I guess, that sees over there.
Oh, so that's going this way, and then
So,
there.
oh,
These
yeah.
are
I
backwards
feel
to
like
that
it
one.
starts at the Earth, right? Wouldn't
Does
it
it
start
end at the
there? Or does it end with the Earth?